Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do 2 fall collabs, and all of these challenges are free on all of their Ko-fis, and I will link everything down below. So we are going to get started with this is the oh my gosh, I cannot remember what it is called for the life of me. Hold on. It is the Funky Fall collab hosted by Kimmy's Corner. And then the second one that we are going to do is the Fall into Savings collab hosted by Norellis Budgets. So what I'm going to do, I have picked out 6 challenges out of however many there are. And I'm going to roll a dice. I have some prop coins, and these are available on my coffee shop. So I'm going to roll a D3, and we're going to just go through and put them all in, and then we'll count it up at the end and see what we got. And I have 25-cent pieces and 50-cent pieces. I'm just gonna, this probably is not gonna be the best way to do it, but we're gonna figure it out. There are a lot of challenges in both of these collabs, so I only picked out 6, so that way we could hopefully get through them a little bit quicker. I'll probably just do that. And then number 6. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to do it this way, but we'll see how this works out this go around. Oh my goodness. So how has everybody's week been? Thank goodness it is Friday. I'm so happy that it is Friday and that I have a few days off of work. I hope everybody enjoys their weekend, and hopefully your week wasn't too bad. I think maybe next time we might do maybe a D4 or D6. We do have another collab to go through, so maybe we can try the D6 and see how that one goes for us. I haven't quite decided. I didn't want to cut all of these challenges out by themselves, just because that takes a lot of time. And I am a challenge hoarder. I have tons of challenges. So I wanted to be able to kind of not take up a lot of time cutting out challenges. Yeah, I think with the next challenge, we'll try a D6 and see if we can get through it a little bit faster. Hope everybody had a great week. My daughter did have her first cheer football game. She loves it, so I'm happy for her that she enjoys it. I mean, she is 5, but she loves it, so I'm happy for her. I think my 8-year-old is slightly jealous that she decided she didn't want to do the cheerleading. So, all right, we have just a couple more left. And 2. Oh my goodness. Okay. And 1. Number 5 is not getting as much love. Okay, 6 got 1. Uh-oh. And then so we'll give that last one to number 1. And then we'll go through and see what we got. So I kind of started to, like, I did some roll and saves, and then I decided I didn't want to do that anymore. Because I didn't know how the prop coin situation was going to work. So for challenge number 1, this is from the Millennial Saver. We have $1, $2, $3, and $4 all together. So we'll go ahead and just start with this one here and cross off 4. And I figured once I fill out, like I finish the whole sheet, we'll pull it out and pull the money where it needs to go. I've already designated that this one is going to go to debt. This one, I don't recall who it is, so I will have to look that up. But because she didn't put her name on it. Okay, so this one got 1, 2, 3, 25. So, and this is what I meant. I was doing pre-filling them out. So we have a 3. Do we have a 3? We do. Okay. So we'll go ahead and cross off this 3. And then we do have 25 left over, so I think I'll just paper clip it on there for next week. And then this challenge is from Scandal Budgets. Cute little cat, and I hole punched it upside down. I should have punched it on this side. But I didn't want to redo it because I didn't want to get messed up, so. All right, so Scandal Budgets got $1, $2, 3, and $4. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and just cross off 2 of these bags. I designated each of these $1 each. So these are going to take some time. And the reason I stopped filling them in was because I wasn't sure how it was going to work. And this one here is from Enchanted Toadstool Budgets. All right, so here we got $2.75. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2. And then we will put these in for next week. We have 75 cents rolled over. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry for that. All right, and this one, and that challenge is going to go to debt, and this other one is going to go to health and beauty items. So this one here is from Craft and Budgeting, Budget with On. It got $1, $2, $3.25. So I think she has some of these designated. So those are $1. So we'll go ahead and do 3 of those. And we do have 25-cent rollover. And I'm going to put her there. And I think maybe when we get a little bit closer to finishing some of these, I will have to focus on like a certain one, and that's it. If that makes sense. All right, and then challenge number 6 is from Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. And this one is going to go to our Sam's Club shopping, because we are a family of 6, so we do go there quite often. All right, so we have 1, 2, 275. So I think we're just going to start with this one here and just do $2. And we will clip our 75-cent pieces. If you guys are playing these collabs, let me know how you guys are doing it, what you like. Okay, so this set of collabs is from, this is the Fall into Savings Collab by Norella's Budgets. So we're going to do the same thing, except this time I am going to use a D6 so we can get a little more of the challenges together. Or get a little bit more, get through the challenges a little bit faster. If that makes any sense. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, I only did 6 for this one as well. 1. That's it. 2. And I do have one more collab that I would like to start, but I feel like I should not go too crazy just yet. I have all of the challenges, but your money can only go so far. All right, let's see if we can. No, okay, 4. How is everyone's savings going? Are we meeting our savings goals? I feel like we're getting there. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I've been super stressed about making sure that Christmas was funded, which we are almost there. It'll be a couple more weeks and we'll be done with it. So that is exciting. To have a worry-free Christmas, to have enough money to get my kids presents and have a nice dinner. Oh my goodness. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I just love playing these savings challenges. I wish I had all of the money in the world so I could play all of them at the same time. I wish I didn't have my bills, so I had my whole paycheck I could put into these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are almost done. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are also in my Ko-fi shop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. That's all of them. I just didn't round the corners because I was lazy, honestly. But it just comes down to that. I was just being lazy. So this challenge is from Norella's Budgets, or no, this one's not from Norella's Budgets. I'm sorry. It is from Budgeting with Lysandra. All right, so this one got $1, $2, $3.75. So I decided not to make anything yet. So we're going to go ahead and assign it now. All right, so that is, oh goodness, oh my goodness. I dropped my marker. So we got a 1 is going to be for our acorns, or leaves, I'm sorry. I can't read either. And then a 1 for the acorns. 4 for Hello Kitty. And then a 4 for the pumpkins. Okay, that's going to be a big saver, I suppose. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3.75. Well, we don't have a 4, so we're going to have to do, let's just do 3. Do 3 leaves. Or we'll do an acorn. We'll just start here down at the bottom. And then we'll paperclip our 75 cents for next week. We'll see. How do you guys like this? Does this seem like it kind of makes sense to you guys, or what do you think? What do you think? Give me your honest opinions, okay? All right, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay. Let's just 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, and 5. Let's just go ahead and do that right now. And then after we fill in this one and this one, we can work on that, I guess. At least right now. So 2, 4, and 5. And this challenge is from Overthinking and Budgeting. I like it when we can not have any rollover. All right, and our next challenge is from Always Angela XOXO. We got 1, 2, 3, 375. So since this is a roll and save, I'm just gonna do, we got 3. And then we'll have 75 cents left over for next week. Because there's only 6 there, so I don't think that that's too much of a big deal to just do one at a time. Okay. All right, so this next one is from Books and Finances. Yeah, and it got 1, 2, and $3. I love it. So let's see, that's kind of like a game. That's cool. That's a roll and save game. So we can either play that how it's supposed to be played, or all right, we'll go down here and do the $3 for the roll and save on the bottom. I kind of want to play that as a game, so we'll see. All right, and our next challenge is from Cash Stuffing Co. And it got $1, $2, $2.75. So we'll go ahead and mark off the 2. And we will roll over that 75 cents. All right, so we'll put these up. Oh my goodness. All right, and our last challenge for today is from Pansy Budgets. And it got 1, 2, $2.75. So we're gonna go ahead and go cross off this 2, and we will roll over 75 cents for next time. And then we will put in our money, of course. Let me get myself situated here. All right, this is my fall binder. So you will also see this soon as well. So I have $20 for the Funky Fall collab. And here's a listing of all of the participants. I do not have, I will tag them all below. And then for our Fall Into Savings 2025, we're going to put our $20 in here. This is the other collab that I'm going to do soon-ish, once I finish Christmas. And it is the Spooky But Cute Zoo collab. All right, and that completes today's video, and I hope that you guys had a great week, and I hope that you enjoyed, and thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!